1 cup of hot water. Similar like Cersei. All right. So this is Cersei. I don't know if you guys know what is Cersei. Okay. If you don't know what is Cersei, you can Google it. Every Jamaican know what is Cersei. Cersei is basically the thing we run on the ground. You know, it's run on the ground. Yeah. So put this in the water, just like that. Now, this is bitter wood. Okay. Some people don't like the bitter wood because they say it's too bitter, but this helps to get worm out of your gut. And you can't tell me you don't got worm in your stomach. Yes, you do have, but you can't see it with your natural eyes. All right? Yeah. So you might have said, I don't have worm what are you talking about? You don't got a worm in my gut. Oh yes, you do have. You know what I mean? You do have worm in your gut. Everybody got worm in their gut. All right? Yes, 150 million % you got worm in your gut. I know even it is scientists proof that you got worm in your gut. It's not me, sister. All right. Now we're going to put bitter wood. 1, 2, 3 pieces. So it's going to be really bitter. All right. 3 pieces of the bitter wood inside of it. So that's looking good. Right. That's so far. All right. I like to put my cloves. So we're gonna put a few cloves inside of it, like this. Good vibes. Yeah, man. And then we're going to put some pimento seed in it. See that? Few pimento seed. Oh yeah. So that looking good. Anyway, so this is 1 cup of the tea I want to make, because I'm gonna tell you something. You see bitter wood and the Cersei, guys. Yeah, man. This get rid of pesticide out of your stomach. The question I want to ask: when last you do a pesticide cleaning of the gut? You know what I mean? Pesticide cleaning is like when you buy things and you know you don't wash them properly, you understand, and you don't know what's going on. So the question is, when last do you do a cleaning of the gut? You know, yeah, you can get them in the supermarket in Jamaica. So if you can't get them in England or in the US, it is simple. You know what I mean? You can just go to one, you know what I mean? Just book a flight. It's easy, guys. You know what I mean? It's not complicated. You can book a flight, you can book a ticket, fly to Jamaica, and get one of these ingredients which Chef Ricardo just used. Bitter wood and Cersei. Yes, you can go to Jamaica and you can get them. Alright? Good vibes. So, you might have said, many people might say things, but what they don't understand that when last do you do a cleaning inside of your gut to get rid of pesticide out of your stomach? Because those things is real, guys. You know, 100% real. And a lot of people don't do those things because they don't believe in them thing there. But you have to believe in these things for you to do it. So this is a very powerful cup of tea with Chef Ricardo made right so this evening. 100% powerful and effective. All right, yeah. All right, so this boil up. So you see it changing of the water. So the water look different. The water look green. All right, and that's what you want. You want the water to be looking green and nice. All right. So, yeah, this is a Cersei. This is a dry one though. All right. So you can get that for buy online. You can book a ticket and fly to Jamaica, because some of us waste money and not do the money with the right thing. The right thing is to clean out your gut. You know what I mean? Right now, your health is more important more than anything else. All right? Yeah, man, your health more important more than your work and more than even the food that you eat. You have to look after your health, guys. All right, let's put this one side. Yeah. %. Yeah, right now, I'm telling you the truth, the honest truth. All right. Your health is more important than the food what you eat. You might say, you're talking rubbish, Chef Ricardo. How comes that to be? Because your health comes first, guys. When you mess up yourself and you mash up, trust me, there's no one to help you but yourself. Yeah? Now, if you even live with your woman or your wife or your pitney and everybody, it's yourself. Trust me, yeah, your wife can make a cup of tea, give you, that's it. But you need to get better, all right? So when them not there, it's you alone there home. You understand? So don't get this thing twisted, guys. All right? Yeah. Learn and take in education in your brain and understand that, listen, your health is more important than the food you're eating this evening. All right? Yeah, man. Still see. Big up yourself. All right. Yeah, so come out and speak. Yeah. All right. Yeah, man. So just to let you know, guys, know that this is just a real thing this is going on. All right. But this is it right here. I just want to do this like a cup of tea to drink in the morning. So what I normally do when I make it, I leave it in the pot. All right, because I got a cup of tea which now I just make, and I'm drinking this right now. So I'm not gonna be drinking this until in the morning. First thing in the morning, and an empty stomach, I want to drink this. All right, first thing in the morning and an empty stomach, people. This is a very powerful cup of tea, and I want to encourage you to do this one at home. This is not a normal cup of tea from Chef Ricardo we normally make. Yeah, this is Cersei and Bitter Wood, and do not underestimate my grandmother recipe. Okay? Yeah, this is from my grandmother, because when I was growing up, she gave me this to drink and said, drink it. This will get rid of the worm them out of your gut. Because, especially if you eat meat and all them stuff there, that even worse. So, do not underestimate my grandmother recipe, and I talk about this recipe is now. It is real, authentic Jamaican recipe. And that's because my grandmother only know about, yeah, she know about pimento seed, or probably I put pimento leaf or a piece of pimento wood in it and boil it. But she only put cloves in it, but I learned the cloves, Beautiful people, we're not gonna keep on it too long this evening. This recipe is for tomorrow. All right, for me to drink first thing in the morning. I'm going to cleanse the blood tomorrow, I'm going to do a blood cleansing tomorrow. So I want to drink it first thing in the morning, because sometimes we eat this whole heap of food, sweet stuff, cake, biscuit, this, that. You need to do a little bit of cleansing of the blood. Yeah. So this is where it comes in. Cersei and Bitter Wood. Very effective and very powerful, and it will help you to get rid of some of that toxin also out of your gut. We sit down from last year, December. All right, a good vibes. So big up on yourself, people, and whatever you do, stay blessed, man. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming for you that you guys can also make them at home. All right, as you guys can see, very powerful recipe. Don't underestimate our grandfather and grandma recipe. They are powerful. Good vibes. Esther Delicious, DJ, big up yourself. Thank you so much.